Dalana be here, and today I am back with yet another video. And in this video I am doing a Black History look. I posted this video, or I posted this picture rather. I had created this look maybe about 2 weeks ago maybe, and I posted it on Instagram. I was just inspired. I didn't, plan on making a video or anything about it. I was just like, I was just inspired by Black history, by my culture. So I was like, let me express that through makeup. And when I posted it on social media, on my Facebook pages as well as on Instagram, you guys loved it. Like, I didn't expect it to do what it did, but I'm glad that it did do what it did. So this is what this is all about. In this video, I did use for the eyes, the lips, the highlight, mainly Crayon case products because it is a Black owned company. So I wanted to do something, incorporating some successful Black people with the look. So I did use the Crayon case, box of crayons palette. If you guys don't have this palette, you need to get your hands on it. It is a Black owned company. Super Saint, if you guys don't know who she is from New Orleans. She is a Black woman who pretty much Super is doing a damn thing. Let me tell you, that lady, literally, you watched her grow from not having much to now she has not a care in the world. And she did all of that for her love of makeup. It kind of started out as a hobby for her, and she turned it into $1 million business. Like, it don't get no better than that. So I did use her products in this video, and it's kind of like to pay homage to her as well, being that she is a successful African American. So this look is for all of my melanin beauties. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and let me stop rambling. Let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay guys, so for starters, we're going to start off with the P. Louise base, and this is in Rumor 2, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid as my base. Alright, so we're going to use our box of crayons palette. And in the palette, we're going to start off with the yellow, this yellow and this green color. So we're going to use the yellow and the green as our transition shades and our crease shades. And I'm going to use my Morphe M504 fluffy brush to do this. And I'm just going to pack this in until I get the color payoff that I want. Now I'm going in with that with my Morphe M505 brush, which is a little bit more tapered than the one I was just using. And I'm going to go in with that green color I was telling y'all about. Now we are going to use that same P. Louise base that we used, and I'm going to use this flat Shiny Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Alright, so now that we've gone ahead and cut that crease, we're about to go back inside of the Crayon case palette, and I'm going to start from outer and work my way in. And I'm going to go in with the color black, and it's just this black color here. And we're going to go ahead and put that on the outer corner of our eye. The next color I'm going in with is red. This red here. And I'm just going to put that in the middle, and I'm going to use a M518 brush. And I've noticed that if I use like a fluffy brush to place a lot of color down, it kind of distributes more evenly. So, and it also kind of sort of helps with blending too. Now for my last color, I'm going in with yellow. And I'm going to use, this is a MAC brush. I'm using a flatter brush just because I want to get in that inner corner. And I'm just going to go ahead and place that in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on some eyeliner. I am using the NYX MAC liquid liner. And I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyeliner. Line my eyes. Lashes, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to apply these off camera, but I am using the Vegas nail lashes in the blue pack. I don't know the name of them, but these are the ones that I'm going to go ahead and put on. So I'm going to put these on. I'm going to line my waterline, and then I'm going to come right back. Okay, so I've put on my lashes and gone ahead and lined my waterline. So now we're going to go with the face, and then we'll come back and we'll finish the eyes. So I'm going to use, and as you guys can see, I'm running out of it, but I'm going to use my NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation, and this is in the color Macao. And I'm just going to use a beauty blender to put this all over my face. And this is a damp beauty blender. Shape Tape and Tan Sand, and I'm just going to highlight and conceal, and I'm just going to put a little bit because this is a full coverage concealer. So I'm just going to put a little bit, and I'm going to use that same beauty blender that I use my foundation for because I don't want it to be too bright, and I'm just going to blend that all in. So now to contour, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in Cocoa, and I'm just going to use this to, what is that? Before I blend this out, I'm going to go ahead and set only under those areas that I put concealer, and I'm going to use my banana powder to do so. And I'm just using a damp Real Technique sponge. Now I've gotten kind of lazy when I'm doing my makeup, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I'm going to use this color here, and all the areas that I put that contour stick, I'm going to set it and blend it at the same time using a Real Techniques brush. e.l.f. powder brush, and I'm just going to dust away all of that powder that I used when I set my under eyes. So now to kind of bring out that contour a little bit more, I'm going to go in with my Morphe. It's just like a little fluffy brush, and my Becca Cosmetics bronzer, and this is in Sunlit. Well, it's the Sunlit bronzer, and it's in Ipanema Sun. I don't know, I'm butchering that, but this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to go around and add some more warmth to this and just bronze up my face a little bit more. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spray all that powder to kind of set everything down with my Fix Plus, and this is in coconut, and it smells absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face down, and I'm also going to apply my highlight while my face is wet from this. And I drench my face because I love the way this stuff smells. And for highlighter, we're going in with more of the Crayon case, anglowla, and we are just going to use what I have in the top because a little bit does go a long way. And I'm going to use this is my Sigma Taper Highlighter F35 brush. Went a little overboard there. But that's okay, because when we put our blush on, it's going to blend together. I'm going to put a dab on my nose. For blush, we're going to go in with an oldie but a goodie, and we're going to go in with NARS Outlaw, and I'm just going to run that. I'm going to run it let's get into the lips. So on my lips, I'm going to use the Crayon Case Black Pencil along with Anastasia Beverly Hills American Doll Red Lip and the ColourPop Black Friday. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the final look. Now I did post this look on Instagram as I said before, and my fro is not as big because it's actually wet. I washed it and I have some conditioner in it, but I wanted to come on here and recreate this video for you guys because I posted it and everybody loved it. So being that it is Black History Month, I wanted to go ahead and pay homage to my background, my history, my culture. And so what better way to do it than through makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you plan on recreating it, let me know down in the comments section below. If you are doing something special for Black History Month, kind of just to pay homage, let me know what those things are in the comments below. If you're not following me on social media, my social media handles will be in the description box, and I will have them listed somewhere here for you guys as well. In the meantime, in between time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!